'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is finally part one of my spring cleaning series. I already did a little bit of decorating downstairs in the kitchen, but I told myself, okay, no more decorating until I do my spring cleaning. I am collaborating today with my friend Rachel. You guys have seen her before if you're a returning subscriber. She is like the queen of cleaning. She is on TikTok, YouTube. She's amazing. She actually inspired me to purchase a few new gadgets, which I'm hoping will really help with my spring cleaning. I really want to focus on 3 rooms today. I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want to overwhelm myself because I have so many spaces in my home that do need a lot of deep cleaning this year. So I'm just going to focus on hopefully my master bedroom, my master bath, and the girls' bathroom. I don't know if I'll get to all of them today, but hopefully I will be able to finish up the majority of them. And I'm excited to try out these new gadgets because they just look so fun. I've been wiping things down and they just don't feel clean. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait for you guys to see Rachel again. Her video is super inspiring. But if you are doing some spring cleaning, let's do it together. Grab your list, grab your iced coffee, and let's jump right in. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you just a few little things that I picked up, nothing major. I really was loving this and hoping that I could use this on my sink and shower head, just areas where it's just super dirty with soap scum, and I'm hoping that's going to help a lot. I also saw this in Rachel's video and she said she swears by it, so I definitely had to pick up that. And then I wanted this to clean out the vents because I'm definitely going to be doing some dusting, washing of the walls, cleaning out the vents. And then I needed some more just multi-surface cleaner, so I tried this one. I do really love the lilac, smells really good, but I wanted to try something different, so I grabbed the daisy. And then I have been wanting this for so long, finally decided to do it. I grabbed it and I cannot wait to try this. So I'm hoping to use this around the sink, the grout, and just any little nook and cranny where I just need to get in there and I can't with a small brush. So I'm hoping to use this.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark.
When cleaning, especially tackling those spaces that you don't hit every single day, always start at the top and work your way down. So I am going to start by dusting the walls, and then I'm going to move on to the side tables. I also wanted to mention today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Rachel from Rach+5. Rachel and I have collaborated before, last summer exactly, and I love her. We've become even closer since then. She has a channel all about cleaning and motherhood. This girl does it all. She has 5 kids that range from toddler to teenager. She lives in Florida with her beautiful family, and like I mentioned earlier, she is the queen of cleaning. She brings you all the hacks and real life messes to give you the motivation that you need. Today, Rachel is continuing her spring cleaning series and tackling some spaces we all need to hit. I can't wait to watch her video. So when you are done watching, head over to Rachel's channel. I'll have it linked down below in my description box, and make sure you let her know that Ashley sent you. If you are here today from Rachel's channel, welcome. I'm so excited you decided to stop by. My name is Ashley and I'm a married mom of 2 girls, and I like making videos on cleaning, decorating, cooking, and all things homemaking. So if that's what you are into, I would love to have you stick around and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you introduce yourself in the comments down below so we can all get to know you better. You may notice that I still have some of my winter like trees up in my upstairs. So I was thinking I wanted to take it down, but honestly I have to force myself to stay focused and just focus on the spring cleaning, because the minute I start pulling decor out, next thing I know, I didn't even tackle my deep cleaning list and I'm just decorating instead. So I'm going to put these trees back and I'm going to try to stay focused, and then I will clean and decorate for spring this area in a future video.
I know, it's scary sometimes, but I know, we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it.
Now I am moving on to my windows. I'm using my spray away cleaner. You can use whatever you have. I just love this cleaner and I had it on hand. I'm using that with a microfiber cloth. The windows themselves aren't too bad. I wipe those down pretty often, but I do go through and actually wipe down the trim and the windowsill, which you will see in a second, which is disgusting. Before I can steam clean the windowsill, I need to go through and vacuum. This is not the right attachment. I do not recommend using this attachment if you have the Dyson, but I couldn't find my other one. Then I'm just going to use a multi-purpose cleaner and I'm just going to wipe out as much as possible because there was just so much dust and dirt build up in here. So I'm wiping that out first. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to steam clean everything.
I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back.
Okay, this was both satisfying and so gross at the exact same time. Can you guys see how much was just stuck in there? Ew, it was so nasty. But now I'm just going to wipe all of that up and then we're going to move over to the other side.
Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down.
Seeing the clean window and then now coming to this side and seeing it dirty, oh my gosh, it is just so gross. It's one of those like you don't even realize how, I mean obviously you can see how bad it was, but it is just so bad. And then once you clean it, oh my gosh, you're like, how did I ever live without this thing? So if you are in the market for this Bissell steam cleaner, or you've been on the fence about buying it like how I was, do it. You will not regret it. This thing is amazing. It's like that next level clean.
I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down.
Now I'm just getting this area cleaned up. I'm going to put the curtains back because I had to push them out of the way in order to clean the window. Then I'm going to use my all-time favorite summer and spring scent, the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli. Oh my gosh, if you guys have never smelled this scent, it is vacation in a bottle. So I am just going to take my drapes and spray that down. Then I'm going to use the same spray away spray on my mirror and get this all nice and clean.
I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely.
So I am picking up and moving, just cleaning all around everything on top of my dresser. Then I'm going through and doing every little nook and cranny on the front of my dresser. This is a vintage, like antique dresser, so there's a lot of nooks and crannies, just something that I don't normally wipe down every week. So it definitely falls into the spring cleaning category.
What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy.
So normally I wipe my doors down because I still have little ones and lots of sticky fingers, but for spring cleaning, this is a little bit different because I actually wipe it from top to bottom, all the molding around the door and everything, just to give it that deeper clean.
Shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing.
Now that I'm done with everything from the top, I'm finishing the bottom. I'm going through vacuuming the floor, picking up any dirt or dust that has fallen from the windows and from the dressers.
They won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met.
Let me know in the comments down below what is on your spring cleaning list this year. I have so many spaces to tackle. This house needs such a good deep clean. So if you let me know what you're doing on your spring cleaning list, maybe I forgot that area and I will have to add it to mine as well.
Okay, so I got let's look at what we have left. I dusted the walls in my bedroom, cleaned the window. I'm gonna wash the bedding a different day and clean headboard a different day because my husband is coming home earlier than expected and my bedding takes a long time to wash, so I want to do those two together. I'll also sanitize the mattress that day as well. I've wiped down my dresser and nightstands. I haven't decided if I'm gonna clean the carpet yet, but I'm ready to move on to the bathroom and start tackling some of these.
I have so many black walls in my house and they all show so much dust and dirt that I'm usually pretty good about wiping them down, but because this is part of my spring cleaning, I just want to go through and make sure I hit every wall just to be safe. I would hate to come back and see anything left. Then I'm going to work my way down to the mirror using the spray away again and a new microfiber cloth. Now I'm going through and I'm just going to wipe down my countertops, get everything fresh and clean so that I can give it a deep scrub and also use my new Rubbermaid brush.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real.
Do you see the sparkle from that Scrub Mommy sponge? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It is amazing. But I do have a few nooks and crannies, like right where the faucet hits the sink and underneath where the water comes out, that just has a little bit of a buildup. So I'm just going to go through and give it a deeper clean.
I won't fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole.
So I recently started incorporating this TikTok hack where you take baking soda and vinegar and it just helps break up all the buildup in your sinks. I think Rachel has even included this in one of her videos. If not, probably one of her TikToks. But it is so satisfying and it really works. And you just finish it with some hot water and it's good as new. And it's all natural, so you don't have to worry about using harsh chemicals.
We're closer to heaven.
So I still had some of my favorite scent, the peony, and then I also purchased the daisy. So I'm adding both soaps in. And then I thought about it, I'm like, I don't even think we normally have 2 soaps in here. I know I do that sometimes with the girls because they'll fight over just the smallest little things, but I might remove one of those soaps because I don't even know if we need 2. And I'm also going to wipe down the vanity, just give it a nice deep clean, and then I'm going to move on to the window.
It's high up above from the ground. We're closer to heaven.
I will admit I do not clean that window as often as I should. I don't know why, I just don't clean that one very often. Maybe because it's near the tub. So I decided to wipe down all of the tile just to make sure I cleaned up all of the dust and dirt. I was in the middle of cleaning this, and then I got a phone call from my husband that his little guy trip that he took was going to have him home earlier than expected. I was really hoping to use the Bissell on my grout, but I'm not gonna lie, as soon as my husband comes home, I lose all motivation. I just want to like hang out with him, but I am hoping to use that Bissell on this grout in a future video because I saw somebody say on TikTok they didn't even know that their grout wasn't brown, and now I'm like thinking, like, I know that our grout was at least tan, but I don't know that it was this dark. So I'm really interested in using the Bissell there specifically. I do have a steam mop, but I feel like it doesn't get the grout as good as that will because that really targets a specific area. But I will use that in the future. I'm excited. I can't wait. But we are going to now move on and mop the floors. While filling up this bucket, I realized how dirty the bathtub was. I should have zoomed in so you guys could see it, but I use a little bit of the Method tub and tile cleaner. I let that sit for about 15 minutes, then I go through with some hot water and a little bit of the Fabuloso, and I'm just wiping down the bathtub. I love this for cleaning my bathtubs and the showers. It makes it so quick and easy. And then I'm just going to rinse it with some hot water. We're going to switch out the mop head and we're going to start cleaning the floors.
Every single flare inside your burning stare.
Alright guys, that is it for part 1 of my spring cleaning series. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a ton of motivation. If it did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe. I would love to have you. I will link Rachel's video down in my description box. Don't forget to go visit her and show her lots of love. I will be back next Monday with a spring clean and decorate. I can't wait to share with you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye!